Walipa.
And
Sure.
keep your idiot.
Together we belong. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, one in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming
Tell us something, girlfriend.
of you.
What's up, AC gang? It's the girl, Abbi.
And your boy kept
And we're back with another blazing video. So as you can see by the title,
today, I'm going to try and recreate Abbi Instagram picture them.
and so guys, we get this idea from Carmen and Corey, yeah. Two mad people them. And you know we mad too, so we have to do the same thing also. Yeah.
Alright people, so Abbi have some clothes put on me and go put on back. She already take a picture and it on her Instagram. So we are going to do today.
And if you don't follow up on Instagram, make sure you follow it on Instagram down below. Yeah. And if you're new, subscribe. Yeah. And if you're new again, subscribe to Abbi's Madness.
And subscribe to Abbi and Kappa Comedy TV.
Yeah guys, that's our comedy channel. Abbi Madness. Go on over there. So go on over there, so go subscribe. And so
And remember, so we do a giveaway right now on Instagram. Someone all on go over there and just follow the instruction them so they can win one of our tripods to
yeah,
give it.
because we want to win it. We want AC gang people them for win it. We don't want nobody who want to support AC gang for win it.
You hear that? Alright.
Yeah, so go on guys. And guys, we have to close them over there. So
No
no further talking. Let's flick into the video. AC gang. So guys, the first suit is a two-piece. Guys, it was actually a dress, you know, a good girl, a fashionista. And so sometimes when my head take me, somebody cut the dress and make it in a one two-piece. So you own me. Yeah guys, so this was a dress, I'm cut it in a one two-piece set. And so guys, look on the picture over there, so. And we are going to recreate the picture outside. Come on, stay in. We'll go back and try our best as possible. We'll go at the same spot where we take the picture. So come. Introducing Capo Atas. Yeah.
I said, who's all I go
Still there for some time.
Kappa, rock the braid them. And then you're ready to come down.
So guys, right now we're going to go outside and find the area which I'm going to take that picture. Yeah, which is somewhere in the yard. Somewhere in the yard. So Capo Atas, I go post phone.
Out there.
So guys, right now we're outside, we're going to try and find about the same spot.
What you shot me say?
So introducing Capo Atas. Guys, check out the fit. Yes, check out the fit. So now Capo, you have to pose like me now.
You say the post?
What is it?
I didn't get pose there, you know.
Yes.
Show me a picture.
Capo, I did a simple pose.
Take me a picture, they kick on fast.
Yeah, I'll take a picture. No.
Hot girl, sweet like a honey. X to the 5 minute drive in the sun.
Wow. So guys, Capo, I got jump here. I'm second outfit right about now. In 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Talk to good body. I'll be attack. No, Capo attacks. People talk truth. Talk truth if I not grow this. Talk truth if I not grow this. So guys, we couldn't find the correct string where they there, so I have to use piece of, I'm not telling you what I use. Yeah, so. Alright.
So let's go recreate this picture right now.
So guys, we're going to recreate it outside in the backyard where they take that picture here. Alright, so come. So guys, Capo Atas, we are the same location. I want to look on the picture first. Yeah guys, so Capo Atas, I'm going to recreate that picture your phone.
What you say?
Yeah, the picture.
I don't know if that makes sense. You that smile?
Yeah, that's, no, yeah, but that smile. Smile, huh?
Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy.
I'm going to say that on them.
So guys, Capo Atas second outfit. And so someone tell me
Oh, that one is stay.
how close him go to me. I want
Yeah.
to grade how close him go to me in them
Or
outfit. Yeah.
did I rock it better than she?
Yeah, he did. With a strong body there. Outside, I compare to my nice, clean body. How does some dirty boy with them cap on? Eh? My nice, clean body.
If it.
Eh? I'm a nice, clean body. I want some dirty boy when them cap on try out do me in my own clothes. Cap on atters. What you gonna do?
Me full of things that they want to do.
Now guys, cap on atters I go jump in the third outfit, you know. So, you know what? When I think I go jump, I go flick in at the third outfit. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys.
Boy, I've been looking for belly something I do.
Go back. So guys, wanna see me at this before now? When I do the close swap challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah. So right now, look on the picture. Where am I gonna recreate?
That's soft, bro.
Yeah guys, so Capo Atta's I gonna recreate good girl Abbi Atta's picture. So guys, this was a sweater as I said before. I'm gonna make it in a
Alright, fashion
two-piece.
designer.
I'll make things in our two-piece outfit, so you know, yeah. And so we're gonna find the spot. How spot this? Come.
Let's go, let's go.
But there the spot. We'll take the picture. We'll take the
Yeah,
picture.
man, Oliver. It took a lot to come to this spot, trust me.
Yeah, guys. Now, we're actually the on the main road. Like, we're actually the on the road.
So make sure you like the video here.
Guys, like it, because keep on nothing. Keep on do them some of your pop main road. So, yeah, Capo.
You know what I want for the picture now.
So, guys, this is our picture spot, you know. I can't tell them exactly where this is, but I think one of our subscribers already did find me. Because them past us, we have to take picture one time.
Hold on.
We are pose. I don't know. Same pose with my foot, but this time I hold my ear. Pose on your foot the same way we don't do my foot. So.
How with the bomb? Bati boy, this you know.
That's the man for you.
The clothes look
Like
neat.
you're purple like this.
40s.
So guys, I want to see why we can't over the on the road, you know. Boy, I said the man I watch Capo, but then again, it look like him want to shoot up man, he want to shoot up people and so we have to up and come back in. Yeah, if you guys see Capo, I say, Batty boy. Yeah.
I'm recording now. I'm to them.
Then we don't want to call. We are calling the biggest score, but we can't fight. Me are the biggest score, but we can't fight.
Okay.
Yeah.
People, make sure to smash that like button there.
Smash the like button here because I risk Capo taking up people. I risk Capo take want to not spam out the comment section. Capo atters. Yeah.
I follow on Instagram same time.
Follow my Instagram over there. So guys, right now we're gonna jump in on the fourth and final outfit. So,
No further talking.
no further talking, no could jump.
Ah! Yeah, fool, I eat that.
Yeah, idiot.
Oh, ready, me and you, we can't look up so. Yo,
So guys,
talk to me.
yeah, go on. Capo atters.
Come back.
Why am I? Oh, you have to do that. You know it's not real. True.
I got carried away.
So guys, basically we take that picture here when somebody visit Image and Dahlia watch it. So look on the picture.
Alright, so now I'm going to show Abbi who's
Yeah,
the boss. Who
so
can
Capo I go
recreate
recreate guys. This is a last and final piece. We here to miss something.
What?
We got the bag and everything, so we never take it nowhere near, so we're going to find a place so similar for him to take the picture. So I think one on the backyard, alright, to take the
then.
picture. So we're going to go. Come. On my phone. On my phone.
You want to get mad?
Capo on my phone.
Your phone now, madam.
On my phone. That's good. So guys, come. Capo atters, I try to find the perfect spot to take the picture. Capo, you'd have been one stay bad girl, you know? No, you'd have been one stay bad girl. Basically, when you say him not really have on the slippers them or the shoes them, because
too big.
Capo not going to bust up my
your
things
foot too
them.
big, tell you
Honestly, I'm foot care over there, so guys, look, yes. Look at this. Pose again, Capo.
Different pose?
No, the same pose. And that's what I say, I never that smile.
Oh,
But I smile with my eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Blood clot, I took you with the eyes, you know?
Me have money in my pocket, so I feel nice. No borrow girl clothes in a real life.
Remember them pose, eh?
Go. Don't pose them, go on. Who you wave to?
Abbi.
Good. Yeah, good eyes. Yeah, are the actors. Bomba, Kepo actors. Bomba.
Abbi, you lady. Alright, see what you said. Yes, people.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, are the dirty people that wake up us, so you know.
So reach the end of the video right now. Someone and just hit the like button.
Subscribe if you're new.
Follow up on Instagram down below.
And go subscribe to our comedy channel,
Abbi and Kappa Comedy TV.
Subscribe to Abbi's Madness. Say the same Abbi Madness, but go on. Watch
Hey,
Watch
my
ya.
back broken.
Watch
Hey,
ya. Watch ya. Watch ya. Watch ya. Hey.
yeah, what do you know?
Yeah.
And make sure to say, what else? What else? Oh, but forget. Come on, Abbi, tell me now. Abbi, tell me now.
We don't remember.
Alright, guys, so we're in a video right now. So I'm going to say, oh, watch the other video on my channel if you're new.
Yeah, watch the other. Eventually, we're not going to watch them, you know, because once you watch one video, we're not going to stick to it. Yeah. Yeah. That's it then.
AC gang is.
Oh, bye.